StockCharts and TradingLite are both chart analysis tools. Today we're going to figure out which one is better. Okay, let's look at StockCharts. So StockCharts empowers a modern investor with more advanced analytics than what some of its competitors are offering. It's the web's most powerful technical analysis platform. It's built for serious traders who demand precision, flexibility, and speed. So let's have a look. It's got dozens of indicators, overlays, and multi-chart layouts for deep analysis. It's got stunning annotation tools with cross-device cloud sync, ultra-interactive interfaces that really redefine market visualization. Also, it's a complete trading toolkit altogether. So their Sharp Charts workbench include their award-winning real-time intraday charting. Also, their chart lists. You can save and monitor portfolios across all devices. And then their advanced scans, which screen more than 50,000 symbols by technical criteria instantly. Having a look also, they offer custom alerts, which includes email, SMS, and web notifications for price and indicator triggers. Having a look over here, we've got their competitive edge and their market analysis. So they have unrivaled data and interactivity. So the market summary dashboard delivers an all-in-one stop view of their market environments. Also, it gives you continuous innovation, including the scan components panel and sample scan filters, which keeps StockCharts ahead of every or one of its competitors. You can also access curated market commentary from industry legends like Martin Pring and Arthur Hill, turning your raw data into actionable strategy for investors at literally any level. It also offers the options and mobile access, so option play integrations deliver real-time technical and optional trade ideas ranked by optimal strategy. The official Android app ensures full charting and portfolio access pretty much any time, anywhere. It's built, as I said in the beginning of this video, for the modern investor. StockCharts actually combines institutional grade analytics, expert guidance, and seamless mobility, all literally in one single platform. Okay, so we're jumping into TradingLite. So TradingLite transforms complex order book data into intuitive visual representations that reveal market structures and liquidity dynamics at a glance. So check this out. So it has revolutionary visualization technology that converts the typical flat order book into a dynamic 3D heat map. And it shows you where liquidity is concentrated and how it actually shifts in real time. It's designed with accessibility in mind, so the platform actually transforms complex market data into more intuitive visuals that both a novice and a professional trader can really interpret effectively. It's also optimized for digital asset markets with native support for major exchanges, including Binance, Bybit, and other leading cryptocurrency trading venues. Let's have a look at some of the key features. So first of all, the heat maps and the overlays. This really is outstanding. You can track order flow, momentum, and identity, and identify key liquidity levels through color-coded visualizations. The platform also highlights large walls, liquidity changes, and order flow imbalances that could signal potential price movements before they actually happen. It also uses custom scripting. So Lightning Script provides a powerful but accessible scripting language for creating custom visual indicators. The intuitive syntax allows even non-programmers like myself to develop personalized analysis tools. It also gives you great workspace management, so you can create and save multiple chart layouts which are optimized for different trading strategies or market conditions. This also allows you to quickly switch between workspaces to adapt your analysis approach as your market actually changes. All right, having a look at the performance and some of the additional tools that they offer. So, TradingLite delivers professional-grade analysis tools through a lightweight, accessible platform that fits straight into any trading setup or even any trading lifestyle. You get access to complete trading environments from any device without installations or downloads. The responsive design also adapts to your desktop, to your tablet, or mobile screens while maintaining full functionality. This is a huge thing because some applications moving from one device to another, it just messes the whole layout up, and you actually end up missing some part of the screen. It's very, very irritating. You also get optimized WebSocket connections, ensuring real-time tracking of pricing movements and liquidity changes with minimal delay. It's crucial for short-term trading strategies and market monitoring. You can also share custom indicators, scripts, and analysis techniques with other traders through their integrated community platform. You can also discover new approaches and refine your own strategy based on collective wisdom. This is amazing. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. A chart analysis tool really is a make or break decision. Make sure that you're exploring enough to make the right decision. Until next time, cheers.